Someone is calling me, I feel like. So I should pick up the phone. My friend called me and he asked me where I am right now, and now I am pick him up. Then I'll go to fuel pump. Now I have to cross the curve, but how I will cross the curve? This road is very narrow, so I can't do it. Oh, it is very dangerous thing if I want to cross this. And I'll go to the right side, and this car also going to the right side. Now I have to go to the fuel pump and I will try to get fuel. 2 days ago I went to the fuel pump, but that day I didn't get fuel. Oh no. What is this? Off. Now I will try to get fuel from another pump. Today I also won't get fuel. I feel like it is very bad condition for me and all bikers. বুঝছি তো ভাই, বুঝছি। There is no fuel. Get on the bike. Okay, I will go now. Today I also didn't get fuel. I don't know why. It's the artificial crisis. It made by Bangladeshi people. They won't be good anymore, I feel like. Civilizations are facing problems, but pump holders are not selling fuel, especially octane. Because of this reason, today I didn't get fuel. I don't know how many days later this problem will solve. These auto rickshaws will be able to run on the road without any problem, because they don't need fuel. These auto rickshaws only depends on electricity or current. So now I'll go to my house.